Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast titled Measuring Productivity Generative Labor. My name is Jason Moreno, and together with my classmates Cristian Guerrero and Julian Pinzon, we want to talk about this important topic in the industry.
Hello, my name is Julian Pinzon. It is episode will discuss what direct labor productive is, what is calculate, is important, advanced limitations, and much more so to with us know high and it over to Christian to introducing the topic.
Hi, thank you, Julian. Let's start by defining director labor productivity. This indicator measures how many goods or service are work produced in high period of time. In other words, in overload of efficient workers directly involved in the production process are, which is important because it helps us identify areas for improving, optimize recurse, and increase probability in any industry. Additional in adjust companies to improve their production standards and ensure efficient of labor. Jason, can you tell us like about the historic origins of this concept?
Of course, Christian, this concept dates back to Industrial Revolution when factories were looking for ways to increase production using design recurses. During this period, manual labor was the main drive in production, so measuring in these efficiency was key. Later, Frederick Taylor introduced time and motion studies, a methodology that analyzes each worker's task to reduce the time and increase productivity. Julian, what is purpose of measuring this indicator today?
Great question, Jason. Mensuring labor productive serves several purposes is allows us to one identify inefficiencies in process, two optimize the use of work, three evaluate individual and collective performance, four set clear and achievable goals, five improve views competitiveness. Christian, can do you tell to us about the advantages and limitation of the indicator?
Of course, Julian. It helps reduce operation costs. I allow for key identification of areas for improvement. It optimizes process and time limitation. If done, always consider external factors like weather of machine failures. It overlays qualitative aspect like work motivation of strength. Jason, can you explain how this indicator is calculated and how use a practical example?
Of course, the formula is practical example is worker produce 80 units in this 10 hour. This means the worker produces on average 8 units per hour. Julian, please work in rapid the conclusion.
In conclusion, mensuare direct labor product is essential to optimize the process and improve a company is effective.
Thank you very much for listening to this podcast. We appreciate your attention. I hope you enjoy it and had little convict about the topic discussed. Happy to all.